So in today's video, we are going to talk about the basics of credit card points and how it works. And we're starting right now. So how does the credit card points hobby work? To summarize it, this is the process. So number one, you get a credit card. Then number two, there's a minimum spend you need to do in order to get the bonus. In some cards, it may be $4,000 of spending in 3 months, or 6,000 or 10,000. It really depends on which credit cards you're getting. Then, number three, once you meet that minimum spend in a certain period of time, you will get a bonus. And the bonus also differs from each card, but typically it starts right around 60,000 points and up to 150,000 or 20,000 points, depending again on the card. Then, number four, once you get the bonus, you will redeem this bonus for nearly free travel. There are some instances where when you redeem your points for travel, you don't need to pay anything, so it's free. But in some cases, you may need to pay some taxes and fees, especially if you're using your points to book flights. So some of these taxes and fees will cost you less than 100 bucks. And sometimes it will go a little bit higher than that. It really depends on the airline and where you're going. So one thing I love doing with this credit card points hobby is I have learned how to optimize our spending. So I think of it as a game. And normally I will pre-plan our spending and open up a certain card that has a lot of bonus at the moment. To give you guys an idea, so every 2 to 3 months, we're always opening up one card. So that's between me and my wife, Pau. So every year, if we do this well, we are going to get hundreds of thousands of points or even millions that we use for nearly free travel and visit Japan again. So if you guys are just starting out with this awesome hobby, I would highly recommend starting out with just one card first, every 2 to 3 months, and just take your time. And remember, this credit card points hobby is a marathon and not a sprint. Once you get a hang of it, you can start applying for more than one cards every 2 to 3 months. So just going back again, it's very important to master your finances and make sure you know where you're spending, because you don't want to spend money just to earn the bonus points, and you don't want to keep opening up a lot of cards and make unnecessary spending just to earn the points. That's not how you do it. So make sure to plan accordingly and just take your time when starting out. So that's it for today's video. If you've learned something, please hit like and subscribe below, and I'll see you guys on the next videos.